Well, this week's question is going to revolve around auto insurance, and the question is, Eric, do I really need to carry collision and comprehensive coverage on my vehicle? Well, there's a couple of things to kind of take into consideration with collision and comprehensive coverage. So a lot of people will ask this because they don't really want to carry it on an older vehicle. Maybe the vehicle is worth $500 or $2,000. They think it's a 12, 15, 20-year-old vehicle that they don't want to carry anything but liability insurance on it. Well, that's fine. If you're not at fault in an accident, there could be some coverage in there to pay for collision coverages if you're not at fault. If you are at fault, there will be no coverage for repairs of your vehicle, and for most companies, there's no coverage for a rental vehicle while your vehicle is being repaired. So understand that not having collision coverage is a big deal because there's no coverage that responds even after with a rental car. The other coverages sometimes people will say is, do I really need to carry comprehensive coverage? Well, I'll give you an example, and I don't think this person would be too upset if I gave this example. Last week I had an example of somebody's hood that flew up in a windstorm and hit their windshield. They did not have comprehensive coverage. Now, most people that say, I don't want comprehensive coverage, they go, I'm not too worried about fixing a windshield, I'll just take care of it myself. Well, that claim was comprehensive damage to the hood and to the windshield. So now you're not just talking about a windshield, you're actually talking about repair of the hood as well too. That falls under that comprehensive coverage. As well too, there have been cases where people have had their vehicle stolen, later found and been impounded. They didn't have comprehensive coverage. They had to pay out of pocket for impound fees to get their vehicle out of storage. So understand that comprehensive coverage, again, a fraction of the price of your auto insurance. You just may want to keep the comprehensive and collision coverage on that older vehicle to be able to pick up some other coverages in your auto policy.